Hello students, welcome back to Santosh Tutorials. In this class, we are going to learn about rules for drawing ray diagrams for concave and convex mirror. Rule 1. Ray parallel to principal axis will pass through focus after reflection. Now look at the concave mirror. A ray is incident parallel to principal axis. After reflection, it passes through focus. Now look at convex mirror. A ray incident on convex mirror parallel to principal axis. After reflection, it appears to be passing through focus. Rule 2. Ray passing through focus will become parallel to principal axis after reflection. Look at the concave mirror. A ray passing through focus after reflection, it will become parallel to principal axis. And if you look at convex mirror, a ray is incident on convex mirror but appear to be passing through focus. After reflection, it will become parallel to principal axis. Rule 3. Ray passing through center of curvature will follow the same path back after reflection. Look at the concave mirror. A light ray is incident on concave mirror. After reflection, it bounces back in the same direction. Now look at the convex mirror. A light ray is incident on convex mirror, appear to be passing through center of curvature, but after reflection, it bounces back in the same direction. Rule 4. Ray incident at pole is reflected back, making same angle with the principal axis. Now look at the concave mirror and convex mirror. A light ray is incident at the pole and it is reflected back by making same angle. Here we can say that the principal axis is acting as normal for the incident ray and the reflected ray. Like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.